Hi guys, I'm going to show in this video how to replace damaged gutters and then install a new gutters. You know, we got snowstorm, so the snow damaged the gutter from that corner all the way down to the other corner for both sides of this gym building. So today I received the new gutter materials. You can see it is here, and I rented downstairs yesterday, and the electric crew yesterday they provide the boom lift and they show up today at 7 a.m. So they started to take down the gutter on this side, you can see, and then when they done, the new gutters arrived, so they unload the materials. You can see here, that's the new gutters, like complete gutter package for this gym building. So you can see here everything is new, brand new, and received all the material, all the plates. You can see here a plate for slice, that's the support, and the plate. So everything here is good, and you can see here we replaced the old support for gutter from the top. We replace all of them, and we will install a new one that's shipped. So everything here is replaced. Down spots, so we can take down the gutter. So we took down the down spot first, and then take down the gutter second. Now we started from the other corner coming this way. So today and tomorrow we will finish this side, and we need another day and a half to fix and replace the other side. So you can see here everything was replaced, everything installed, the new gutter, brand new. You can see we are using the boom lift, and they will raise it up. And there's like 3 guys on the ground, 3 guys on the roof. Safety, they have harness for safety. There is a metal rod from that corner to that corner, and they tie the harness to the rod. And as I said, here we have dumpster. We put replaced all the damaged gutter for one side, and maybe like tomorrow afternoon we will try to take down the gutter for the other side, and also put it here on dumpster. Okay, that's metal dumpster. And here you can see 3 guys at the roof and 2 guys at boom lift, and 1 guy here, the foreman, help them, make it ready for them. So everything is good to go. This video about how to replace damaged gutter and install a new gutter for gym building, metal building. Please, if you like this video, subscribe and like. I will upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys. Bye.